Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Quan. Step by step, I will first write it in printing script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write Quan. Or entire or surname 全 For example 全国 whole nation. Here is a sentence. Students from all over the country participate in the competition. Students from all around the country participate in the competition.来自全国各地的学生参加了比赛。来自全国各地的学生参加了比赛。来自全国各地的学生参加了比赛。来自 from 全国各地 all around the country 的学生 students 参加了比赛。Students from all around the country participate in the competition. 来自全国各地的学生参加了比赛。My casual handwriting on the character 全or entire or surname 全国 whole nation. Students from all around the country participate in the competition. 来自全国各地的学生参加了比赛。全 Please comment any sentence with the character 全. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.